Hello students, welcome to Cbse classes. So in today's video we will solve Cbse Ugc NET 2018 July paper. So first I'll go to, in today's video we will solve from question number 7. So in the earlier video we solved question number 6. So in today's video we will solve question number 7. So in question number 7 it is given when an information asymmetry is observed after an agreement is obtained between individuals, it is called signaling moral hazards. None of the above, both 1 and 2. So when an information asymmetry is observed after an agreement is obtained between individuals is called. So for the time being, we first need to understand what is information asymmetry. In contract theory and economics, information asymmetry deals with the study of decision in transaction when one party has more or better information than others. So information in asymmetry basically means when one party has more information than, that is, one party has greater knowledge, has greater material knowledge than other party. So in this case what happens? So now we have understood the concept of information asymmetry, that is when one party has more knowledge as compared to other party. And then now we will come to the meaning of signaling. So what is signaling? So signaling basically means it is also a part of contract theory, that is one party credibly conveys some information about itself to another party. So when one party credibly convey some information about itself to another party. And finally we will come to moral hazard. So what is the concept of moral hazard? So moral hazard basically is what? That is the lack of incentive to guard against risk when one is protected from its consequences. So that is when someone increases their exposure to risk when insured, especially when a person takes more risk because someone else bears the cost of those risks. So someone takes risks and someone else bears the risk. So this is the case of moral hazard. Say for an example, the risk payoffs to the bank but risk falls, then it goes to the government. So as long as the risk payoff goes to bank but the risk cost goes to the government. So in this case for asymmetric information we would conclude option 2 is the right answer. So for question number 7 the right answer is option 2. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrupsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam on economics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.